The people they want to know, thawing stem cells. Well, by the end of this video, you are going to know. Okay, guys, when we're talking thawing stem cells, what we're really talking about is the stem cell cryopreservation model. What that is when the scientists flash freeze cells in order to be used at a later date for clinical applications. In order to effectively flash freeze the cells and think that they're going to have, living cells later on when they reanimate them, they use chemicals. Okay, the chemicals in the mix are called DMSO, and the other one is ethylene glycol. Okay, these chemicals are really not ideal, but they're a necessary evil in order to expect these cells to live during the flash freezing. But I'm telling you, anybody in the neurocognitive decline silo that's looking for stem cell, you guys do not want these chemicals as part of the mix, because you see there's some side effects associated with it. And the negatives of the stem cell cryopreservation model do not end there. You see, when the stem cells are reanimated real time in the clinic, they can go through cell die-off, and you're not in the right environment to go through the checks and balances to ensure that you're getting, the proper viability that you should in order to have an effective treatment. Those checks and balances should be done at the lab level. Okay, guys? So what you really want when you're looking for stem cells isn't this cryopreservation model. What you want is stem cells coming from a live lot batch test system. Okay? These cells are living in an incubator. For example, I run the Regenamex Clinic, and the same day that we do treatments with people, earlier in the day, the cells are living in the incubator, ready to be used for clinical applications later in the day. The scientists take these cells from a living state. They're in the culture medium. They spin them out in an ultracentrifuge. They get the pellet. They clean the endotoxins off them. They put them in the carrier solution, which is a Ringer's lactate solution combined with a physiological solution. This keeps them suspended in time, ready to be used for the clinical application later. But at no point in time were they frozen, right? They're coming from a live lot batch test system. So it's very different, right? There's no chemicals to be removed. There's no wondering and worrying if they, lost bioavailability during the reanimation phase. You have proper checks and balances and proper cell products at the end of the day. So if this is interesting for you guys, you've been looking into stem cell for a time, well, go to the Regenamex website, fill out a form. One of our doctors are going to be looking through your file, and somebody will be getting back to you in short order. Okay, so adios for now. Regenamex.com.